everyone, today I'm going to share with you all a few ideas on how you can transform your house using wallpaper stickers, that too in a very low budget. I am currently living in a government house which is not very fancy and best looking in terms of its interiors. So I decided to give it a makeover using wallpapers which I got online so that my house looks more livable and more aesthetic. All the products which I have shown in this video are linked down in the description box. If you wish, you can check them out. Now directly let's go into the video. For my bedroom, I have used combination of two wallpapers. One is brick pattern and the other has flower print. This gives a complete look to my bed headboard.
Me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, I see you, Maria, right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, and nothing got it feel like a.
It also looks beautiful during night time in the lamplight. I have also put these hexagon-shaped flower print painting on the door of my bathroom. These are self-adhesive and I chose this product for its aesthetic appeal.
You're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love, ooh.
With the leftover wallpaper, I managed to create a TV frame kind of look. With this, the TV wall got a good definition and the television could actually stand out. For the basin area, I used these marble-looking glossy wallpaper. This was great in hiding all the imperfections which were already there on the wall. I also used these hexagon-shaped mirror wall stickers to reduce the monotonous look of the basin area. And finally the kitchen, where we spend most of our hours on a daily basis. Cute little stickers took the empty space of my kitchen wall. They are very economic and serves the purpose of wall decoration. Lastly, I added these self-adhesive tile looking stickers which added a color to the white tiles which were already there. All these wallpapers I have purchased from Amazon. However, you can find similar kind of wallpapers on Flipkart and other online websites. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below the best part of the house. And I shall see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.